What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Hi, what's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses Pallet Idea Edition. Yes, it's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am back with another unboxing video, and this one is going to be fun. So not only am I unboxing this, but I will install the saw to the miter saw as well as the reciprocal saw, because those are the two saw blades that I am unboxing. But before I do that, I want to say I love you all. I thank you all so much for being a part of this here family. Like, we cannot say that enough. Like, and with that being said, what we want to do for the month of December is find different ways, different projects and things that we can give away. So let me know in the comment section below which projects do you think are giveawayable, and if you are in the Tampa area, I will attempt to give you one of those things in which you request. Now, I say that with all nervousness because I don't know what people will request, but I do have some gifts in mind for different people. So let me know different things that you think, like I said, are like giftable, different ideas for the month of December. So hopefully every weekend in December, we will be able to give a gift away, okay? Like wood type gift, okay? But anyway, let's go ahead and do this unboxing, install, and things like that. Go ahead and smash that like button. Try to get this video to 25 likes. Yes, 25 likes before the 25th of December. I think we can do that. I think so. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. Join the family, the Love Jones family, DKUJ family. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox. Pick this up from Amazon. I will put the links below to these blades. Clearly, I recommend them because I bought them. So we have the DeWalt reciprocal saw blade package here, which you do get 5 different blades, and that's a part of it. Also, we have the miter saw blades. All right. So these 2 things are necessary going into another month. I try to get blades like every 2 months, like it depending on how many projects I actually do. They may even have to be changed out within the same month. But anyway, I picked up these DeWalt blades with the idea that these should work very good, because you have different ones for different things that you're cutting. So of course we know the tighter teeth are for like your metals and things like that, which the bigger teeth are for your wood, which the DeWalt set does have some blades that you can cut wood that has metal, right? Which is what I have with the pallet. So I picked these bad boys up. Let me get you a little bit closer because obviously I did not get a tight shot of it. Boom, 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 boom. And then we also have the Craftsman miter saw blade package. Yes, indeed. So my miter saw is 10 inches. So I picked up this Craftsman 10-inch blade dual set. The thing about this here is that with the miter saw, the tighter the teeth, the more fine the cut will be, the more smooth the cut will be, the less splintery the cut will be, whatever word connects with you. And then so I have the tight one with a lot of teeth, so it'll be nice and smooth. And then I have the big one, the second blade, which has wider tooth, less teeth, if you will, and that is beneficial for like your PVC pipes, other things like that, like not necessarily wood, like plastic, stuff like that. All right, so that is what this is. Let me go ahead and take this apart and show you how to install it on your miter saw. More than anything, we're gonna learn with each other how to take it apart, because this will be my first time installing a blade on the miter saw. I had to take the blade apart, and that was very interesting. And I did that days ago, so I'm honestly looking forward to seeing how this is gonna take place. So let's go ahead, as we are being careful because we are opening up a package with blades in it. So I'm making sure I take the necessary precautions to protect my hands while digging in the packaging, which it does come with this perforated edge that, you know, would easily come apart, but it really doesn't. So, Craftsman, I have some words for y'all. It did not work. All right. Anyway, so now that we have that, boom. Blade 1, blade 2. Look at you. Alright, let's see how we get these apart. I guess this is something that you need to know if you do purchase this. Kind of just spin it because I think it's like some little gunk of goo. Yep. It is some gunk of goo, which I need to take out because I don't want these problems when I'm cutting my wood for things to get stuck. All right, so I need to figure that out. I'll probably get yeah, a flathead and just like scrape it off like that. So then I have my DeWalt reciprocal saw blades. Yeah, that's fine. I'll do it like that. Now I'll show you how to replace your blades if that is something that, you know, you need to know. I'll just pick this one here. Nothing, no special reason why I picked this one, but let me go get the reciprocal saw. Alright, so with the reciprocal saw, you have a little lever right here that you lift up, slide the blade out. You can keep it open while you are putting in the new blade, and you just slide it in like so. It connects, and then you're good to go. As you can see, this blade is actually a lot smaller than this blade, but I realized there was really no need of having an extendo, I would call it, long blade. You pretty much get like down and dirty and close when you are cutting. So I'm gonna give it a try with the short blades, the first time I am using short blades. So as you all know, in future videos, you'll see me use it. You'll be able to, you know, see, and I'll give you my tips on and my thoughts on what I think about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that blade off so I can store it without the blade. Safety is always priority in my home, especially with my kitty kids. So let me clean this blade up before I attach it to the miter saw. All right, great people. So I was able to scrape off the gunk by way of this flathead screwdriver. So thank you, Lord, that is done. We don't have to worry about that. Whew. But these blades are uber sharp, so let me go ahead and install this bad boy. So many different pieces. I hope I can remember how to put everything back. Slide this back on.
Two hours later.
Okay, so I had some technical difficulties with that bad boy. I did not get it properly installed back, but I will get it done before my pallet projects commence. Okay, so please be sure to let me know in the comment section below which different things you think are good. Now, I've been really like pushing for this no mail in the house type thing because I feel like mail is very dirty. I always have. I just never put any action to my thoughts, but now I have, and now I'm gonna spread the word. But anyway, if there's something that you could think of, I'm in the midst of various projects that I have done with different pallet wood. I think I'm gonna build like a little garden situation, little 5-gallon bucket situation, because I feel like people need to do more gardening. So maybe that's the thing that I give away. I don't know, we'll see. Let me know, comment section below. I love you all, I'll be watching. Have an awesome, awesome holiday weekend. Yeah.